Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you ZooOne NR1000 NAD Plus review. Scam or legit? Today, let's review ZooOne and find out if it's a scam or legit. This berry flavored supplement mix is designed to boost NAD Plus, a molecule vital for energy and cellular repair. Its formula blends trending compounds like trans-resveratrol, quercetin, phytosome, and PQQ, often linked to anti-aging and energy support. Users claim benefits such as clearer skin, improved focus, and higher daily energy. And it even comes with a money-back guarantee. However, there are drawbacks. While the ingredients are backed by science, this exact blend hasn't been clinically tested. Independent reviews are limited, and the marketing sometimes makes exaggerated claims. Overall, the product itself isn't a scam. It uses real, research supported compounds, but it should be approached with realistic expectations. If you're curious about NAD plus supplements, Zune might be worth trying. Just monitor your results carefully. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.